This is the review for basic math exit exam. First question is subtract 5 plus 6x from minus 5 into 4 minus 2x. Subtract any minus nakas. You have to subtract this one from this. So what is given as the second expression that you should write first? So equal to minus 5 into 4 minus 2x minus 5 plus 6x. So you should write this one first, then this one. And here you have to put minus because this is subtract. Equal to, now open this bracket. Minus 5 into 4 minus 20. Minus into minus, it will become plus. 5 into 2, it will become 10x. Okay, minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. Then you have to write x. Then open this bracket. Minus into 5 minus 5. Minus into plus 6x minus 6x. So when you open this bracket and if you have minus outside, all the signs will change. See, plus 5 will become minus 5, plus 6x will become minus 6x equal to. Now you see, group the terms with x and terms without x. See here, we have 10x and minus 6x. 10 minus 6, 4x. Minus 20 minus 5. Minus 20 minus 5, you have minus 25. Minus 25. So this is the answer. Now question number 2 is simplify. So we have a big expression here. We will write equal to x power minus 2. You can see that down we don't have any x, only x power minus 2 on top. Now we have y power 4 up and y power minus 2 down. So y power 4 minus 2. See, number over here 4 minus 2. Then z power, you have minus 3 on the top. So minus 3 minus, then you should write this minus 1. Minus 1 I am putting in bracket. Divided by, you have only 4 number here. Okay, because this minus 2 is already taken, this minus 1 is already taken. Power minus 1. Okay, now x power minus 2, y power 4 plus 2. Why? Minus into minus. If you open this bracket, minus into minus plus 2. Z power minus 3 plus 1. Because here also minus into minus plus. Divided by 4. Again you have power minus 1 outside. Equal to. Now you can see x power minus 2, y power 6, z power, what is minus 3 plus 1? Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 divided by 4. Again you have power minus 1. Then equal to, we will give this power minus 1 to everyone. So x power minus 2 into minus 1, y power 6 into minus 1, z power minus 2 into minus 1. So this minus 1 comes everywhere. Divided by 4 power. 4 power nothing means here you have 1. So 1 into minus 1, minus 1. Now x power, what is minus 2 into minus 1? Plus 2, because minus into minus is plus. Now this will become 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Z power minus 2 into minus 1, you have plus 2. Divided by 4 power minus 1. Now when you write the answer, all these powers should be positive. If it is already positive, don't change. So we have x power 2 here. Okay, then z power 2 here divided by, now you can see that 4 power minus 1 is there. So if it comes up, it will become 4 power 1. Then y power minus 6 will come down, you will write y power 6. Minus 6, you have power means when it comes down, it will become plus 6. If you have power minus 1 down, when it comes up, it will become positive. So when you change from up to down or down to up, the power sign will change. So now you can see that all the numbers, all the powers are positive. Power means this, O's. So all are positive. So this is the answer. Question number 3 is simplify 5x square minus 3x plus 2 into 3x square plus x. So here you can just open the bracket equal to 5x square minus 3x plus, here you have to open the bracket, 2 into 3x square, 2 into 3, 6x square, then 2 into x plus 2x. Now you should group the terms. Group the terms with same power. See, here you have 6x square, here you have 5x square. Same power, so same family. So 5 plus 6 will give you 11x power 2. Then you can see that minus 3x and plus 2x. Minus 3 plus 2. One number minus one number plus. So big number minus small number. 3 minus 2 is 1. Give the sign of the big number. So minus 1. Okay. One number is minus, one number is plus. You have to subtract Nakas, big number minus small number. Okay. Then give the sign of big number. So minus 1. So we have minus x. That's all. Question number 4 is the number pi is a what kind of a number? So before going into that, I will explain here what are the different number systems. So we will first write about natural numbers. Natural numbers. We will write capital N. What are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are natural numbers. It starts from 1. The second one is whole numbers. What is this? Whole numbers. You will write W. W starts from 0, 1, 2, 3. Like that. Then we have integers. Integers we will write Z. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. In all these numbers, you don't have any point. You will not write 3.6, 9.2, nothing like that. Only 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Or whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Integers means you have negative, 0 and positive. Okay. The next one is called rational numbers. Rational numbers. Rational numbers we will write Q. They are represented as with the symbol Q. So what are rational numbers? Any number that looks like this, A by B, this is a rational number. But A and B should be integers and B should not be 0. A and B should come from here. Okay, you cannot have any points there. So A and B are integers, somebody taken from here, some number chosen from here, and B should not be 0. That means 2 by 3 minus 6 by 7, 0, 7, simply 7. Because I can write 7 equal to 7 by 1. So it looks like A by B. It looks like A by B. So these are all rational numbers. Okay. Now 3.625. This is a rational number. Why? Because if any number that is written as a decimal number but it stops here. Okay. The decimal number stops here. It is a rational number. So if I write 73.629138, this decimal expansion is stopping here. Okay, so this is a rational number. Now again 79.6767667 etc. This is also a rational number. See, the decimal part means after point the numbers are not stopping but they are repeating. You can see that 67676767 again repeating. So if the decimal part is not stopping, it is not stopping, it is going, not stopping but repeating, then it is a rational number. So we have three types. Any number that looks like a by b, some number by some number, but these numbers should come from where? Integers. Okay, all these are rational numbers. Now we can have numbers with decimal point, this point, no problem, but the number should stop somewhere. Any big number also okay, but it is stopping here. Now if it is not stopping, still okay, but it should be repeating. So I can write 26.395 and I can put a bar here. What does this mean? 26.395 395 395 etc. So it is not stopping but repeating, so this is a rational number. Now we have a fourth category of numbers. The fourth type is irrational number. What is irrational number? Irrational numbers. What is this? Irrational numbers means numbers like this. See, 3.9625018 etc. This is not stopping and not repeating. See, every time you will get a different number. So it is not stopping and not repeating. So this is irrational number. Also numbers like this, √3, √2, √7. All these numbers, we don't know the answer. Okay, we know the answer, but the decimal expansion will not stop. Okay, so if we take √2, how you take √2? See, if we take √2 on calculator, then we can see that. I will show you on the calculator. See, I have number 2, √2. What is the answer? 1.4142135562. It is not stopping and not repeating. Okay, same thing. If I take √3, again same thing. 1.732050808, like that it is going and it will never stop. So all these are irrational numbers. Also we have the number pi here. See, shift, and if I press this, you have the answer for pi. 3.141592654, or if you check in the internet, you can see 3.1414926. It is, see, it is not at all stopping and not repeating. So these are all irrational numbers. So what is pi? Pi is an irrational number. You can see that pi is not a rational number. Okay, it is an irrational number. It is not an integer. See, does it come here? No, it is not a natural number. Clear? So pi is an irrational number. Remember that. Question number 5 is, find the factors of 4x square plus 13x plus 3. Okay, here first you have to see that there is a number here. It is not 1. So we are using this method of putting a plus. Now, how you get 4x square? 4x into x. 4x into x is 4x square. Okay. Now, how you can get 3? Number 3 means 1 into 3. Okay. Now look here. 4x into x, you will get 4x square. So this number is okay. Now, 1 into 3, you will get 3. So the last number is also okay. Now, when you cross multiply 4x into 3, 4x into 3 plus x into 1. see, you are cross multiplying. 4x into 3 should be first, then x into 1. X into 1. What will be the answer? 4x into 3 is 12x. X into 1 is x. 12x plus x is 13x. You get this. That means this form is correct. Okay, so the factors will be 4x plus 1. Factors you will not cross. You are writing Sida. 4x plus 1 into x plus 3. 4x plus 1 and x plus 3. So these are the factors. Question number 6 is factors of y square plus 3y minus 18. So you can see that the number over here, the number before y square is 1. So how to do this? Take this last number minus 18. How you can get minus 18? Minus 1 into 18 or 1 into minus 18. 2 into minus 9 or minus 2 into 9. 3 into minus 6 or minus 3 into 6. All will give you minus 18. Now, I should get, if you add the numbers, I should get plus 3. So which one I should choose? I will choose this last one. Why? Because minus 3 into 6 will give you minus 18. If you multiply, you will get minus 18. Minus 3 plus 6 will give you plus 3. See here. So this is correct and this is also correct. So the answer is y minus 3 and y plus 6. You have to choose the numbers here. Y minus 3 and y plus 6. So these are the factors. Question number 7 is simplify. So we have a big expression here. In this, we will take this one now. X square plus 3x minus 28. So how you can write minus 28? You can write minus 1 into 28, 1 into 28 minus 28, 2 and minus 14, minus 2 and 14, then 4 and minus 7, minus 4 and 7. We know that 4 into 7, 28. Minus 4 into 7 is also minus 28. Okay, now which one I should choose? I should get plus 3 when we add and minus 28 when we multiply. So plus 3 I should get means big number should be positive. So I have to choose this group first. Because minus 4 into 7 is minus 28. Minus 4 plus 7 will give you plus 3. So this is correct. That means the factors are x minus 4 and x plus 7. Okay. So this is factorized. Now you come to the question. In the first one you can see that x square minus 4x. I can take x outside, x amal mushtarak. So if I take x outside, it will become x minus 4. See, x into x will give you x square minus x into 4, 4x. Okay, that is done. Divided by. Now this I already factorized. What is the answer? X minus 4 and x plus 7. Okay, now you have divide here. Divide will change to multiply, yani this will go up and this will come down, x. So I have to write x plus 7 up and 5x down. So when divide change to multiply, this will become upside down, x, reciprocal. Now you can see that x plus 7 cancel, x minus 4 cancel, but then we have x by 5x. Now this x and this x also will cancel. You will have only 1 by 5. So this is the answer. Question number 8 is simplify. So here you can see that x square y square is there down, here also x square y square down. So I can take x square y square common, x square y square. Then you have 3x minus 2xy. Why? What is the rule? If you have a by x minus b by x, see here also x, here also x, then you can write only one x down and on top a minus b. Same thing I have done here. So x square y square I will write only one time, then up 3x minus 2xy. Now you can see that here also you have x, here also you have x. So x outside, common out, amal mushtarak. So 3 minus 2y by x square y square. You have 1x here and x square here, they will cancel. So x will cancel with this. So you have 3 minus 2y by x y square. That's all. Question number 9 is simplify. So we have 5 root 3 into 2 plus 4 root 7. So we have to open the bracket. You have to multiply this and this. So 5 into 2 is 10 and you have root 3. Root 3 will not go. Plus 5 root 3 into this. So what is 5 into 4? 5 into 4 is 20. Then you have root 3 into root 7. Okay, you have 10 root 3 first plus 20 is there here. You have root 3 into 7. That means 10 root 3 plus 20 root 21 first. Question number 10 is mile to kilometer. How to change from miles to kilometer? Okay, you have to multiply with 1.609. Okay, mile to kilometer. So we have 3 miles. So 3 into 1.609. How will you find 1.609 into 3? 9 into 3, 27, carry 2, 3 into 0, 0, plus 2, 2, 6 into 3, 18, 8, carry 1, 1 into 3 plus 1, 4. So the answer is 4.827 kilometer. So remember, mile to kilometer you should multiply with 1.609. Question number 11 is solve the variable b from the formula x equal to 3b square by 5. Solve for b means only b should be on one side, all the others should go to the other side. So what is the formula? X equal to 3b square by 5. Okay, I want to bring this 5 to the left, so 5 will go up like cross multiply. So 5 will go up means it is 5 into x, 5x. Then 3 should come down. That means by 3 equal to you have b square. So look here, 5 going to the 5 is down here. 5 will go to the other side means it will go up, cross multiply. So 5 go up, 3 comes down. Okay, x is already here, no change. Here you have b square. But what I want b. Here you have b square, and if you want b, you have to take the square root. So that's all. So 5x by 3 square root. So what is b? Square root of 5x by 3. So this is the answer. Question number 12 is find 3 consecutive even integers such that their sum is 12. Okay, how will you understand this question? What is mean by consecutive? Look here in the translator. Consecutive numbers means this one. Hope you can understand with this Arabic. Okay, now you will come here. That means the numbers which are next to next. We want even integers. Even means what? Zaugi numbers. Okay, 2, 4, 6. like that. Okay, so we want consecutive even integers. So I will take the numbers like this: x, then the next number will be x plus 2, then the next number will be x plus 4. So these are even numbers. Assume that x is even. So x plus 2 and x plus 4 are consecutive, means next to next, adjacent. Now what they are telling, the sum should be 12. Okay, that means x plus 2 plus x plus 4. The sum of all these three numbers should be 12. So numbers should be even, numbers should be consecutive, next to next. It should be close. Okay. So now I am opening the bracket. X plus 2 plus x plus 4 equal to 12. So how many x here? 1, 2, 3. So I have 3x plus numbers 2 plus 4, 6 equal to 12. I want x. Okay, so this 6 will go to the other side. So 3x equal to 12 minus 6. Plus 6 will come here, minus 6. Okay, 3x equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. So now x equal to 6 by 3, answer is 2. That means the first number is 2. So now our numbers are x, x plus 2, x plus 4. These are the numbers. Okay, so how will you write? What is x? X is 2. Now what is x plus 2? That means 2 plus 2. What is that? 4. Here 2 plus 4. What is that? 6. Okay, now they are telling in the question their sum is 12. Yes, correct. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is what? 12. So this is the answer. So the numbers are 2, 4 and 6. Question number 13 is, the perimeter of a triangle musallus is 50 centimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter means muhit. Okay, now the first side is 20 centimeter, second side is 10 centimeter. What is the length of the third side? Look here. If this is a triangle, this is x, this is y and this is z, then what is perimeter P? Mohit, x plus y plus z. Now in this question, what is given? Perimeter is 50. Okay, so this side, one side is 20 centimeter, another side is 10 centimeter. You want to find x. So perimeter means x plus 10 plus 20 is equal to how much? 50. So x plus 30 equal to 50. So what is x? 50 minus 30, 20 centimeter. Question number 14 is the inequality notation of the interval open -4, close 7. How will you write this? You have to write like this: -4 less than x less than or equal to 7. So if you have open, you have only less than. If you have close like this box bracket, then you should write less than or equal to. So if you have like this, if it was -4 close and 7 close, how will you write? -4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 7. And if it is like this, -4, 7, both open, then how will you write? -4 less than x less than 7. So the answer for this question is this. Question number 15. Simplify the inequality 7x minus 5 less than or equal to 4x plus 3. So you will write 7x minus 5 less than or equal to 4x plus 3. We will bring all the x one side, numbers right side. 7x, 4x will come to the left, so it will become -4x less than or equal to You have number 3 already here. Minus 5 will come to the right side. It will become plus 5. So 7 minus 4, 3x less than or equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. So now 3 will come down. X less than or equal to 8 divided by 3. Question number 16 is solution of the quadratic equation x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. So x square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. You should write a, b and c. What is a? The number before x square, the coefficient of x square, that is 1. What is b? Coefficient of x, that means 3, the number before x. Then the last number is c, so minus 10, you should write minus 10. If it is minus, you should write minus, plus, you should write plus. Now the rule is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now you have to put the values there. Okay, put the values of a, b and c. So minus b is 3 plus or minus square root. What is b square? B square means 3 square minus 4 into a is 1, into c is minus 10 divided by 2 into 1, because a is 1. So equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root, plus or minus square root. 3 square, we know it is 9. Then minus into minus will become plus. 4 into 10, 40. Divided by 2 into 1, 2. Now you have equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root 49 by 2 equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root 49 is 7 divided by 2. So now you have to divide this into 2. 1 for minus 3 minus 7 by 2 minus 3 plus 7 by 2. Now what is minus 3 minus 7? The answer is equal to minus 3 minus 7 is minus 10 by 2. Minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4 by, this is 2 by 2. Minus 10 by 2 is minus 5. 2 and 10 cancel, you will get 5. Then 4 by 2, answer is 2. So the answers are minus 5 and 2. Question number 17 is factorize 25x square minus 1. So we have to use the rule here. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you can see that 25x square minus 1 can be written as 5x whole square, because we know 5 square is 25. 1 you can of course write 1 square. So now if you see a square minus b square, what is a? A means 5x. What is b? B means 1. So how you can write this? A plus b into a minus b. What is the rule? A plus b into a minus b. So you should write 5x plus 1 into 5x minus 1. So these are the factors. Question number 18 is convert 50 degree to radian. So now how to convert degree to radian? If you want to convert from degree to radian, you have to multiply with pi by 180. If you want to convert from radian to degree, then you have to multiply 180 by pi. Okay, here we want to convert from degree to radian. That means we have to use this rule. So how to convert equal to 50 into pi by 180? We know that this 0 and 0 will cancel. So what is the answer? 5 pi by 18. That's all. In question number 19, we have sin A equal to 1 by 3. We should find the value of cos A. We have a rule, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Okay, in that case, what is the value of cos square A? 1 is there. This sin square A will come to the right side. So it will become minus sin square A. Because it is going to the other side, it will change the sign. Now, this is cos square. So if I want cos A, what you have to do? You have to take square root. Because this is cos square. So if I want cos A, you should take square root. 1 minus sin square A. Okay, now I have sin A equal to 1 by 3. So what is cos A? Cos A, what is the rule? Square root 1 minus sin square A equal to square root. I am giving the value of sin A. 1 minus, what is sin A? 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 square. Okay, equal to square root 1 minus, what is 1 square? 1. What is 3 square? 9. Now you will cross multiply inside the square root. So 1 into 9 is 9 minus 1 by 9 equal to square root 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 by 9 equal to square root 8. You can write 4 into 2 by 9 equal to, see, you can bring this 4 outside. If 4 comes out, it will be 2 because square root of 4 is 2. Gather arba is 3. So it came out. Now this 2 will be still inside the square root. So 2 root 2 divided by, what is square root of 9? 3. So this is the answer. Question number 20. The angle of elevation of the top of a building. So what is angle of elevation? We have top of a building. Where is the building? Assume that this is the building. So if I am writing here A, B and C, AB is the building. So this is the building. Okay. The angle of elevation. Somebody is standing here. One person is there here. He is looking at the top of the building. Okay, he is looking at A. Okay, then this angle is called angle of elevation. What is the angle of elevation? It is given that it is 45 degrees. See here, angle of elevation comes when you look up from a point. So this is the person, okay, standing here on the ground and he is looking at the top of the building. So this is the top of the building. He is standing from a distance 20 meters from the foot of the building. See, this is the foot of the building, the bottom of the building. From there, he is standing, this person is standing 20 meters away. Okay, so AB is the building. From B, this person is standing 20 meters away from the building. Now, what is the question? What is the height of the building? You should find the height of this building, AB. Now look here, we are given that this angle is 45. Okay, we know that this is a right triangle, this angle is 90. So if this angle is 90 and if this angle is 45, then what should be this angle? See, angle A should be, see, 180 minus 90 minus 45. See, the total of all the angles of a triangle is 180. So you should subtract 90 and 45. We know these two angles, 90 and 45 from 180. So what is the value? 45. So this also will be 45. Now, in this triangle, you can see that two angles are 45. So if these two angles are same, the sides opposite to that also will be same. That means how much is BC? The same for AB also. So if this is 20 meter, then this is also 20 meter. So what is the height of the building? Height of the building is also 20 meter. AB is also 20. So remember, in any right triangle, if one angle is 45, definitely the other angle is also 45. Because 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 90 will become 180. Okay. So if these two angles are 45, always these two sides are same. AB and BC will be always same. So how much is this? 20. Then this also will be 20. So the height of the building is also 20 meter. Question number 21 is, which of the following gives commutative property? So you should remember this term. What is this commutative property? Commutative property. Property means rule. Okay. First we will write the commutative property for addition plus. See, this is the rule. A plus B equal to B plus A. This rule is called commutative property for addition plus. Okay. Now I will write the rule for multiplication. Here A into B equal to B into A. This is called commutative property of multiplication. We know that 3 plus 2 is 5 and it is same as 2 plus 3. Also 3 into 2 is 6 and it is same as 2 into 3. Okay, so the direction doesn't matter here. This is called commutative property. So what is the answer here? In all these, this is the answer. So this gives the commutative property. This is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Okay, so this is the commutative property. Question number 22 is, what property of a real number is justified here? 75 into 1 equal to 75. This rule is called multiplicative identity. Okay, you multiply any number, let the number be A. You multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number and you can also write 1 into A. So A into 1 equal to A equal to 1 into A. This property of 1 is called multiplicative identity. Okay. Question number 23 is, express in positive exponents. That means when you write the last answer, all the powers should be positive. Okay, you will write the question, x power 12, y power 6, z power minus 15 by 2 power 6, the whole bracket, you have power 1 by 3. Now what you have to do is, you have to multiply this power 1 by 3 here, here, here and down. So how to do? X power 12 into 1 by 3, y power 6 into 1 by 3, z power minus 15 into 1 by 3 by 2 power 6 into 1 by 3 equal to x power. You know that 3 and 12 will cancel. What is the answer? 4. Because 4 into 3, 12. So you have 4. Y power, you know that 3 and 6 will cancel. Answer is only 2 because 3 into 2 is 6. So here 2. Z power, you know 3 and 5 is 15. So answer is minus 5 divided by down. 3 and 6 cancel, answer is 2. 2 power 2. Okay, now x power 4 is there, y power 2 is there, divided by 2 power 2 is 4, and then z power minus 5 will come down and you will write z power 5. When this comes down, power is positive. So this is the answer. Question number 24 is, what is the value of 5% of 30? So 5% of 30. So what you have to do is, What do you mean by 5%? 5 by 100 into of means into 30. So this 0 and 0 will cancel. The answer is 5 into 3 is 15. 15 by 10. Therefore answer is 1.5. Dividing by 10 means you have to move 1 point to the left. So the answer is 1.5. Question number 25 is simplify square root 50 by 5. So we have square root 50 by 5. We know that 50 means 25 into 2 divided by 5 equal to, what is square root of 25? It is 5. And square root of 2 will be there only, no change. So only 25 square root we will take and you will write outside divided by 5. Now this 5 and 5 will cancel. The answer is only square root of 2. Question number 26 is rationalize the denominator of 1 plus root 5 by 1 minus root 5. What is this? Rationalize. Okay, we will see. 1 plus root 5 by 1 minus root 5. Denominator means maqam. Okay, this is the denominator, 1 minus root 5. Rationalize it means you have to remove this square root. We should delete this square root. So what you have to do is you should multiply up and down with what? 1 plus root 5. You take this denominator, maqam, okay, and change the sign here. If it is minus, you write plus here. If it is plus, you should write minus here. With that same thing, you multiply up and down. Don't see this, okay? I'm not writing this. You should see this first, the denominator first, then change the sign in the middle. Okay, ishara badli. So minus will change to plus and plus will change to minus. So you have 1 plus root 5 by 1 plus root 5. Now look here. On top what you have? 1 plus root 5 into 1 plus root 5. By down what you have? 1 minus root 5 into 1 plus root 5. Now you have a rule. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So look here, what is the denominator? 1 plus root 5 into 1 minus root 5. What is this? You can write 1 square minus root 5 square. Because we know that A means 1 and B means root 5. So 1 square minus root 5 square. 1 square, you know, it is 1 only. Minus root 5 square means square and square root will cancel. Together Tarbiya will cancel. Only 5 here. What is 1 minus 5? Minus 4. There is no square root here. So look here. What will be the answer? 1 plus root 5. 1 plus root 5 into 1 plus root 5 is 1 plus root 5 square. Same number. A means A square. Divided by what is 1 minus root 5 into 1 plus root 5? We have got the answer already. Minus 4. So now in the denominator maqam there is no square root. That is what called rationalize. Rationalize means you should remove the square root from the denominator, from the maqam. Question number 27 is 10 degree Celsius to Kelvin. So how will you change from Celsius to Kelvin? What you have to do is you should just add plus 273. This is a special number. Okay, so 10 Celsius, how I will change? 10 plus 273 equal to how much? 283 Kelvin. That's all. Question number 28 is a polynomial of degree 2 is called what? So what is a polynomial? See, look here. I will write a polynomial ax plus b. Here the power is 1. Okay, this polynomial is called linear. Okay, if the power is 1, it is called linear polynomial. Now if the power is 2, what will happen? Look here, ax square plus bx plus c. Here the power is 2. This is called a polynomial with power 2. This is called a special name, quadratic. So you should remember the name. A polynomial of degree 2. Degree 2 means power 2 is called quadratic. If the polynomial is power 1, it is called linear. If the power is 3, ax power 3, bx power 2, cx plus d. This is called cubic. Cubic means power is 3. Quadratic means power is 2. Power 1 is called linear. Question number 29 is solve the equation 10x minus 7 equal to 2 into x plus 6. Solve means you should find the value of x. How with x? So you have 10x minus 7 equal to 2 into x plus 6. First we have to open the bracket. So 2 multiply x, 2x, 2 multiply 6, 12. So look here, I will write 10x minus 7 equal to 2x plus 12. Now I will bring all the x to the left and all the numbers to the right. So I have 10x here. This 2x will come to the left, it will become minus 2x, because you have plus 2x here, it will come here minus 2x, equal to, I have number 12 here, this minus 7 will come to the right side, it will become plus 7. Okay, what is 10 minus 2? 8x, equal to, what is 12 plus 9? 7, 19. So x equal to 19 by 8. 8 will come down. So this is the answer. Question number 30 is the solution of the quadratic equation. Quadratic means power is 2. See here, power is 2. I want to find the solution. Solution means you have to find the value or values of x. Here this is power 2 means there will be two values for x. So I will write 5x square equal to 3x. I will bring this 3x to the left side. So what will happen? 5x square minus 3x, because this is plus 3x here. When it comes to left, it will become minus 3x equal to 0. You can see that here and here I have x. So I will take x common out, amal mushtarak. So if I take x out, what will be there here? Balance 5x, because 1x is already there. X into x, you will get x square. Minus this x is out, so I have only 3 here, equal to 0. Okay, so this is like a into b equal to 0. So what is there? X equal to 0 and 5x minus 3 equal to 0. First one also equal to 0, second one also equal to 0. So you have one answer, x equal to 0, and here I will take this minus 3 to the right side. So what will come? 5x equal to plus 3. See, minus 3 goes to the right, 0 plus 3 is 3. Now what is x? X equal to 3 divided by 5. Okay, so 5 will come down. So what are the values of x? X equal to 0 or 3 by 5. Two answers will be there. Why? Because the power of the equation is 2. Question number 31 is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Quadratic means equation with the power 2. Quadratic equation for the statement. The sum of a number. Sum means plus, gamma. Okay, sum of a number. We don't know the number. So if you don't know the number is x. And it's reciprocal. Reciprocal means, what is reciprocal? Reciprocal. So if you have a by b, then the reciprocal of a by b is b by a. Just x. So if you have x here, what is the reciprocal? It will be 1 by x. Okay. So what is there? The sum of a number, we don't know the number, so number is x, and its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of x? It is 1 by x. Is means what? Savi, equal to 2 by 3. So I will write sum of a number and its reciprocal is 2 by 3. Okay, sum of, I am putting a plus, a number, we don't know the number, so the number is x, and its reciprocal. Somebody should come here now. Reciprocal, what is reciprocal? 1 by x. Is yani equal to, is what? 2 by 3. See, our equation is ready. I should make it in the standard form. I should write as a perfect equation. So how I will do? Here I will cross multiply. Okay. So x into x, x square plus 1 divided by x. So here I am cross multiplying x into x, x square plus 1 divided by x equal to 2 by 3. Again here also I will cross multiply. So 3 will come up, x will go up. So 3 into x square plus 1 equal to x will come up. That will be 2 into x. Okay, if I open the bracket, what will come here? 3 into x square, then 3 into 1. So 3x square plus 3, and this 2x I am taking to the left. When plus 2x come to the left, it will become minus 2x equal to 0. No, not finished. First I should write 3x square, then I will write this term. Okay, minus 2x plus 3. I should write in order of power. See here, power 2, power 1, power 0 equal to 0. So this is the equation. Okay. Question number 32 is the distance between the points 2, 5 and minus 4, 6. Distance means masafa. Okay. So here we have 2 points. A, I am writing A 2, 5 and B minus 4, 6. Okay. There is a line here. So I want to find the distance. Like you say from Salalah to Muscat, what is the distance? 1000 kilometers, like that. Okay, this point I should write x1 and this is y1. This is x2 and this is y2. Okay, now we have the rule for distance. What is distance, Kanun? Distance, the rule is square root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now just put the values here. Okay, what is x2? x2 is minus 4. So minus 4 minus in the rule. What is x1? x1 is 2 whole square plus what is y2? y2 is 6 minus what is y1? y1 is 5 power 2 equal to square root. What is minus 4 minus 2? Minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 square plus what is 6 minus 5? It is 1 square equal to square root of minus square is plus 6 square is 36, 6 that 6, 36 plus 1 square is 1 equal to square root. What is 36 plus 1? 37. So this is the answer. Question number 33 is what is the slope of the line joining the points P minus 4, 6 and Q minus 1, 8? Slope we know, slope means almil. So we have the points P minus 4, 6 and Q minus 1, 8. So we should write this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2. Okay, now what is the rule for slope? You should remember the rule. Slope m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, what is y2? y2 is 8 minus what is y1? y1 is 6 divided by x2. x2 is minus 1 minus what is x1? minus 4. Okay, this will be 8 minus 6, you know value is 2 minus 1 plus 4 because minus into minus plus equal to 2 by what is 4 minus 1? 3. So 2 by 3 is the slope. Question number 34 is what is the center of the circle? Marcus. X minus 4 whole square plus y plus 6 whole square equal to 25. It is very easy. The center is, what you have to do is, if it is minus 4 here, you should take plus 4. If it is plus 6 here, you should take minus 6. So this is the center, 4 minus 6. Now what is the rule for this? See, x minus h the whole square plus y minus k the whole square equal to r square. Okay, this is the equation of a circle. Here the center is h comma k. So here you have minus h, here you have plus h, here you have minus k, here you have plus k. So just change the sign. So if it is minus 4, take plus 4. If it is plus 6, then you have to take minus 6. If no number here, then it is 0. What is the radius of the circle? Radius means nu square. Radius of the circle x plus 3 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square equal to 81. Radius is very easy. Radius equal to, what is the last number? Take the square root together of last number, equal to, square root of 81 is 9. So this is the answer. What is tan theta into cos theta? So how to do this? We know the rule for tan. What is tan? Tan theta is always sin theta by cos theta. Okay, we have the question tan theta into cos theta. So equal to tan theta. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta into cos theta. Okay, now cos theta and cos theta will cancel. The answer is only sin theta. That's all. Question number 37 is, what is the value of side x? So you should find x. Here one angle is given, angle 50 degree, and this side is given 10 centimeter. This side is not given and I should find x. Okay. Now if this angle is given, this side x is called opposite side. Muqabil, opposite side. This is called adjacent side, Mugyawar, and this is called hypotenuse, water. Okay, this is called what? Adjacent side. So if this angle is given, Zawiya, this Zawiya Malum, then this is opposite, Muqabil, this is Mugyawar, and this is water, hypotenuse. Now, you want to find the value of x and you know the value of hypotenuse. So you should use the rule for sine. What is sine? Sine theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. That means sine is Muqabil ala watar. So what is sine theta here? Sine theta here, number 50. Theta angle is 50 equal to, what is opposite? Opposite is x divided by, what is hypotenuse? 10. Okay, so we have, once again I will write sine 50 equal to x by 10. I want x, so 10 will come to the left side. So 10 into sine 50 equal to x. So this is the answer. Question number 38 is, what is the length of an arc of a circle of radius? Radius means nu square, 15 centimeter, subtended by a central angle of pi by 4 radian. See, look here, this is a circle. Okay, this r is called radius. So this is radius and this is the angle theta. Subtended by means made by the arc. This blue one is called the arc. Can you see here? Arc. What is the length of an arc? Okay, length. So length of an arc means I should find s. From here to here, what is the length? I should find s. If you know theta and r. So in this question, you have radius, r is 15 centimeter, angle is theta. So theta is pi by 4 radian. Now what is the rule for finding the length? It's very easy. S equal to r theta. So S is equal to r into theta. What is r? 15 into pi by 4. So answer is 15 pi by 4. That's all. Centimeter. So remember, this blue one is called the arc. This is called central angle. and r is the radius, nus quater. And the rule is just to multiply r and theta. R into theta is the length of the arc. So you have 15 and you have pi by 4, just multiply. Question number 39 is, what is the y-intercept of the straight line 2x plus 3y equal to 4? See, look here. If I write the equation of a line like this, y equal to mx plus c. If I write like this, then m is called the slope and c is called the y-intercept. Okay. So I should write like this. I have 2x plus 3y equal to 4. Only y should be there on the left. Okay. So I will write 3y equal to 2x plus 2x will go to the other side. It will become minus 2x. Then you have plus 4. 4 is positive. Okay. So plus 2x came to the right side. It will become minus 2x. Now I don't want this 3 here. So what will happen? 3 will go down, equal to minus 2x plus 4 by 3. Okay, I can separate this. Look here. I can write minus 2x by 3 plus 4 by 3. I will give this 3 here and here. Separate. We know that a plus b by c means a by c plus b by c. I can separate it. So same like that. Now you look here. What is slope? Minus 2 by 3. The number before x. If you write like this, then the number before, the coefficient of x is called the slope. So minus 2 by 3 is the slope. Now what we want? Y-intercept. The last number is the y-intercept. So what is y-intercept here? 4 by 3. So y-intercept equal to 4 by 3. So this is the last question. Solve the radical equation square root 4x minus 1 minus 3 equal to 7. So solve means I should find the value of x. Why it is called radical? Because you have a square root here. Okay. So square root 4x minus 1 minus 3 equal to 7. Okay. Square root 4x minus 1 equal to 7 plus 3. I will take this minus 3 to the right side. It will become plus 3. Now square root 4x minus 1 equal to 10. Now I want to delete this square root. What I should do? I should square both sides. Squaring both sides means what? See, I have square root 4x minus 1 equal to 10. I should square here. I should square here. Okay, so what will happen on the left side? Left side, this square and square root will cancel. So together, Tarbia will cancel. What is there? Only 4x minus 1 equal to, what is 10 square? 10 to 10 is 100. Okay, so 4x equal to 100 plus 1. I will take this minus 1 to the right side. It will become plus 1. Then 4x equal to, this is 101. So now what is x? 101 by 4.